traditionally known for commerce and free trade and has been the integral part of the spice route and silk route, facilitating international trade and commerce. Well known for its rich cultural heritage, desert, oil, and date palms. The oil exploration has changed the face of the Arab world to modernization and turned into fast-growing economy in the Middle East and developed as a financial and investment capital. With this project, we wish to make biotechnology route to success of UAE in agriculture and bridge the long association of Indian ties with the community and partake in building the sustained growth. Desert, camels, date palms, they are the icons of United Arab Emirates. It is our duty to conserve nature and the national vegetation for sustaining the environment. The major devastating pest on the date palm is Rhynchophorus pharyngensis, also known as date palm weevil. Weevils attack the young palms and lay eggs on the stem. These eggs hatch as larvae, tunnel, eat the inside of the stem, which results in the death of palm. They complete the life cycle in the dead tree. The adult emerge to reinfest new trees. The remedial measures are few due to the burrowing nature of the pest into the stem. The only successful measure for control of this pest is insect pheromones, wherein we can catch the adult weevils before they lay eggs on the stem. Insect pheromones are biorational semiochemicals which are highly environmental friendly. Pheromones intercept the communication of adults for aggregation, which can be used for early pest warning, monitoring, mass trapping, lure and kill as control measure. The nation needs to implement a special program to effectively control the pest nationally. It's a good idea to make this product in UAE and meet the requirements locally than looking for imports. The expertise and technical competence for synthesis, formulations, and finished lures and traps. This project has many benefits. To name a few, local industry development for pheromone, biofertilizer, and biopesticides. This project has a great potential for domestic market as well as other Arab countries and Arabic-speaking African countries. Project incorporates R&D to offer biosolutions for crop pests and diseases specific to the region.